Let's check out what I ordered from the Nykaa Pink Love sale. The first thing that I had ordered is this Rene Bloom perfume. It is considered the closest dupe to Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume. It comes in this cute bottle which is travel friendly and has a mild sweet fragrance and is not too strong. My second order is this Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. The packaging it comes in is really cute. It has watermelon and niacinamide. It comes in a very light texture and easily gets absorbed in the skin, and I guess will best suit the oily skin type like I have. And here the clear difference you can see. So both my orders are worth the money. See you soon, toodles.